Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and today we're going to look at a couple of Travelers. Now, this one right here is a 1975, and it is completely delaminated. The fuselage is scrapped, the wings were scrapped. The only thing good on this airplane is firewall forward is the engine and the motor mount, and that's coming off the airplane and has been sold to a flight school down in Kentucky. So that's one Traveler. Now let's take a look at some of the other ones that we have in here.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
Now, as I said, we have a number of fuselages in the hangar right now, and as you can see here, the bottom extrusions for the motor mount attached to the fuselage are fairly bent. The top ones are good and straight, but the bottom ones are bent to heck and back, and they're going to have to be addressed. And between these three fuselages, we're hoping to get one flying Traveler out of the deal to have one back in the fleet for folks. And as you can see there's the extrusion on the bottom, bent pretty well, and the rest of the fuselage looks pretty good. No spar in this one, but we just need all the bits and pieces to make one airplane. But anyway, again, a hard landing and a fairly straight firewall. It's not warped or bent or anything like that. So you can see that it has had some abuse over the years. We'll need a little bit of a cosmetic work as well as the motor mount extrusions done, but not too bad. And then we'll move on to the other one. It's in fairly good shape. The windshield's been bad. It's delaminating a little bit up at the top, as you can see right here as we come around. It's delaminating right there. It's had a windshield broken, and the motor mount, and the front strut for the front landing gear is probably frozen in the torque tube. All things to be looked at down the road. So, ladies and gentlemen, there's a quick look at three fuselages. Maybe they'll make one complete airplane out of the deal. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're having fun at your house.